You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these: name in English and in Spanish. Of course, she was a saint, and from Spain, from that city in Spain that is called Ávila. Ávila. Now in English, her name is pronounced as Teresa de Ávila, or Teresa of Ávila. So if you want to emulate the original Spanish pronunciation, Teresa, many in English say it as Teresa, okay, which is kind of acceptable. That's how you say it in English. Teresa of Ávila. The stress is on the first syllable of Ávila. Some say it as Ávila with a V. In Spain, it's pronounced like a B. So either in English, the pronunciation Teresa of Ávila, or Spanish pronunciation Teresa of Ávila. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.